I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by proving you own the account. Log in with your MPIN or biometrics and make sure your registered mobile is active. Once logged in, navigate to settings so you can see available security controls. Do not try to circumvent protections. This step prevents accidental lockouts and ensures you can follow legitimate options like changing authentication methods or contacting support if removal isn't allowed. Inside Security, choose the authentication method you want to change. Tap the specific method, fingerprint, Face ID, or MPIN, and follow the app prompts to disable or replace it. Make sure to confirm any SMS codes sent to your registered number. If the app blocks removal for safety, you'll need official verification. Have your ID and recent transaction details ready so support can validate your request without risking account integrity. After making changes, confirm and then log out and back in to verify behavior. If the app does not allow removal or asks for extra verification, contact Gcash help through the in-app chat or the verified hotline. Explain your changing authentication and provide requested documents. If something goes wrong, reference your support ticket ID and keep a screenshot of error messages. This speeds resolution and preserves security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.